eat 10 units before breakfast and 10 units before dinner.
And I'm going to present a case about a pituitary tumor. The tumor is now away from. And this is the tumor, which is actually more and more of these large ones.
More now, especially when toxic and
So I'm very happy to attend this session about the Eopatch, and it's a very useful device for diabetic patients, especially those patients who are taking multiple doses of insulin. And not only it gives a superior control of sugar and brings down HbA1c significantly down, but it also removes the fear of needle and multiple pricks all through the day. It gives a very good control and avoids hypoglycemia and hyperglycemia. So all in all, it's a very good device, and I think the patients would be helped immensely by this device, and the quality of life of the insulin injecting patients will improve immensely. Thank you.
My name is Dr. Mohammed Ahmed. I'm a consultant endocrinologist in Zahra Hospital, Dubai. I would like to thank Gulf Drug for their sponsorship to our first clinical cases, and we really appreciate your presence today, and hopefully that your product will have success in the clinical aspects and help of patients with type 1 diabetes. Thank you very much.